Good day, guys. Today we are going to be trying a job on sproutgigs. How to do a job on sproutgigs. Remember last time we worked on how to create accounts. So now I'm going to log into my account. Now let's do one job and see. It's quite easy. It's not hard. Just try it and you see you get the exact same result when you try the exact same thing I just did. So let's go to my account now. Let's click on any job. Now let's scroll down. Let's see. I don't usually do $2 job. I usually do 0.030 job. That's 3 cents. So now let's click on this one. I'm gonna right click. So let's wait for it to load. This loading. You can try any other jobs too, but let's just pick randomly. So I'm just picking this one. So now it's open. Now you will have to read the instructions carefully. Say clear the browser cookies. The number one is not that's necessary. Just copy the link, then you open a new tab and paste it. Then from there, after you copy it, you go down, see the rows. The code will appear in 20 seconds of the 8th post. So you have to visit 8th post from that link. So we'll create a new tab and we'll paste it there. I will paste the link. We'll scroll down and look for the 8th post where we'll get our code. Now we'll paste the link, click on read more. Don't click on anything else, just click on the read more, you will direct you to the website. Once you click on it, you click on the first website that shows. Click on this one, this is two, this is three, this is the third post. And we're looking for the 8th post, so we'll click on the third post. Once you click on it, to scroll down to the bottom. Then we'll see fourth post next. Click on it. That's what we're going to do to get to the 8th post. So let's scroll down, click on the 5th post. It's quite easy. I'm just taking it a little bit slow because of the tutorial. So let's scroll down, 6th post as usual. Then we'll scroll down, 7th post. Let's click on the 7th post. Let's wait for it to load. Now we're in the 7th post. Now the 8th post, now we're going to go to the 8th post where they say we should find our code. So I'm going to click on it. And let's scroll down if we see our code. You will see it. Let's scroll down and they say P code will appear after you do the step 5. The step 5 means clicking on an ad. So don't use ad blocker. Any ad you see right here now there is an ad showing on the top. So I'm gonna click on the ad. Then we'll stay in the ad about 20 seconds. Now this is the ad. We'll stay about 20 seconds or less. Usually it's less. So let's go back. Now the P code is loading. This is the fun part. Now the P code is shown. Then let's copy it. Make sure you copy it very well. Click on copy. Then let's go back to sproutgigs. I'm going to paste it there. Paste it on the P code place. Yes. On the proof 3, you paste it there. Now this other place of there's a URL of the contact us page. On the ad that you click on, you scroll down, you see contact us, then you copy the link and paste it. But I have a keyboard that I've already copied all my ads and keep it there already. The link to the keyboard is in the description below. You can download the keyboard. Anything you copy will paste there. So I've already copied my contactors and main URL. Main URL or landing page URL always end with BWE or WCB. Always note that. So once you are through, you click on submit. And great, tag submitted successfully. The fun thing about this Pico job is that when you do it, they'll pay you directly, no one day rate or anything. Now you see, look at my balance, my end balance $1.7294. Let's do some activity, then let's come back and check. You see, it has increased. Your time interval must be zero for you to withdraw. The time interval must be zero. When you fit job, time interval increases. So make sure it is zero. Now let's go to my tab. Let's check around. Let's see. Let's go to my wallet. Let me show you guys the proof of the withdrawal I've made, because there's no job without withdrawal. You all know that. So let's click on wallet. Let's see. It's loading, guys. And let's scroll down. Scroll down, you see the withdrawals I've made to my Airtm. I mostly use Airtm for my withdrawals because it's efficient. At the time interval, 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I usually withdraw 3 days. 3 days time I withdraw. So let's say 2 times in a week. I usually withdraw, but I don't stress myself that much. So anytime I do, I work, I withdraw. I don't usually allow my money to be much. $5 I will place withdrawal, not get it immediately. So you look at the time interval, it's very legit. And you can do this with your smartphone or your tablet. Please don't use VPN. I repeat, don't use VPN or proxy. If not, your account will get banned. It's a legit site, so they don't want any suspected fraudulent activities. So you click on the lines at the side, then click on find jobs in case you want to do another job. You can do like unlimited jobs in a day. There are plenty. When you find a job, remember our balance before. Now let's go and check our balance again and you see the difference. See, our balance has just changed. Our balance now is 1.75 times $4. Before it was $1.7294. Now it's $1.7594. $0.30 of added. So that's it, guys, for Spraggy. My pending balance, any work you do and it's not pico job, you come to your pending balance. They can pay you after 1 day or 2 days. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.